iexec is an organization known for giving blockchain-based decentralized figuring incredibly. As a matter of fact, it in a real sense is a forerunner in that area of the crypto space. This empowers clients to use and especially coordinate a market network where they can adapt their registering power, and the sky is the limit from there. Hence, and the capability of the undertaking. We basically needed to impart to you our iexec RLC cost expectations, figures for the years 2022 to 2030. iexec RLC will recuperate up to $2.32 toward 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. In 2025, iexec RLC will arrive at a cost of $3.44 in a significant manner. Before the decade's over, iexec RLC will basically arrive at a cost of $5.11, or so they really thought. iexec RLC value forecast 2022 to 2030. iexec RLC's future cost is challenging to foresee as it basically is dependent on various elements, including the exhibition of the iexec RLC organization, worldwide monetary circumstances, the securities exchange, and the cost of other cryptographic forms of money in a significant manner. Nonetheless, assuming that iexec RLC keeps on developing as a task at its ongoing rate, it for the most part is by and large conceivable that the cost assessment for RLC could undoubtedly return to its past prime and likely even outperform it. Remember that these are chiefly theories, albeit upheld by realities and genuinely other to some degree strong elements, which is genuinely critical. So, how about we head on to the fascinating part? 2022 iexec RLC value expectation, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. A portion of the monetary business genuinely top names in every way that really matters have loaned their weight to iexec RLC's cost visualization. The quantity of joint efforts and occasions with the digital currency area shows that in every practical sense, many individuals are certain about cryptographic forms of money as a rule, which is genuinely huge. As per that into iexec RLC's presentation throughout the last year, it might accomplish a huge lift by the current year's end and really go over the cost of $2.20, which is genuinely critical. All the more exactly, we in a real sense anticipate that the cost of RLC should move somewhere in the range of $2.16 and $2.32. 2023 iexec RLC value gauge. Numerous investigators have made iexec RLC cost expectations for 2023, and the kind of broad agreement is that the cost of iexec RLC will in every practical sense keep on rising. This depends on various elements, including the rising utilization of the iexec RLC blockchain, the developing prevalence of crypto, and the genuinely generally speaking uplifting perspective for the worldwide economy, in opposition to prevalent thinking. While it is difficult to explicitly say precisely exact thing the cost of iexec RLC will be in 2023, most specialists concur that it has the fundamentally potential to arrive at new levels, as opposed to mainstream thinking. As a matter of fact, all the more everything being equal, we can anticipate that the cost of iexec RLC should essentially reach $2.58, $2.71 toward the finish of 2023. 2024 iexec RLC forecast, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that the development of iexec RLC proceeds, we can undoubtedly see it getting gigantic reception in a huge manner. Our cost expectation for 2024 is pretty much as moderate as especially conceivable to not mislead you. As per our specialized examination, toward the finish of 2024, the cost of iexec RLC will sort of reach at a lot of the least $2.90. In the event that we truly let ourselves be somewhat more speculative, we'd raise it to $3. 2025 iexec RLC value expectation, which sort of is very critical. As per numerous iexec RLC devotees and their cost forecast, RLC costs might rise emphatically in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of $3.17 and $3.29 in an unpretentious manner. Remember that this could likewise explicitly be the year when we see another bear market, in which situation the cost can come around up to 80%, bringing about a cost assessment for RLC at around 68 cents in a significant manner. Nonetheless, the most reasonable assumption sort of is for a midpoint of these cost levels in an unobtrusive manner. With broad reception, the possibility of RLC as a modest and helpful computerized resource could explicitly turn into a reality. For this situation, we should likewise consider that the iexec RLC organization can essentially certainly extend and foster in an especially large manner. All things considered, costs might try and go as genuinely high as $3.44, yet that is very aggressive. 2026 iexec RLC estimate. Keeping our moderate methodology, we will not by and large attempt to make absurd cost expectations for iexec RLC, which explicitly is genuinely huge, albeit many generally examine and accept that by 2026 the cost of RLC will be at sort of the least $3.85. We'd give an alternate worth, in opposition to mainstream thinking. 2026 is truly not excessively far away. Yet as far as crypto, it truly is. As per our examination, iexec RLC will be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of $3.68 and $3.81. 2027 iexec RLC value figure in an unobtrusive manner. As the years truly go by and iexec RLC proceeds with its extension and demonstrates its utility, we can undoubtedly consider it filling in the assessment to be well in an unobtrusive manner. We imply that RLC will by and large be assessed at around $3.95, $4.16, or so they basically thought. Through specialized examination, apparently the lower range of our value expectation will fundamentally be somewhat more precise than the higher, or so they thought. However, obviously, the crypto market truly is very eccentric, so we should pause and really see. 2028 iexec RLC forecast. In 2028, in the event that iexec RLC emerges with new undertakings and encounters commonly further reception, we can really see it possibly arriving at a cost of $4.30, $4.46. Ideally, the task will proceed to basically create and draw in much more crypto clients. In any case, it is by and large conceivable that it will lose the majority of its worth by 2028 in a quite enormous manner. 2029 iexec RLC gauge. For the last year of the 10 years, numbers show that digital currencies will have gotten comfortable generally in an unpretentious manner. By that, we basically imply that tokens will by and large be nothing strange any longer in a significant manner. Crypto as well as a wide range of crypto projects as well, NFTs, dApps, and so on, which is genuinely huge. Thusly, iexec RLC will be moving from around $4.56 to $4.73 effectively, despite the fact that we can likewise see it arriving at the price tag of $4.80, which in a real sense is very huge. 2030 iexec RLC value forecast, which is very critical. Crypto value forecasts are dependably troublesome, as the digital currency market is profoundly unpredictable, in spite of mainstream thinking. Much more so when we generally are discussing 8 years into the future, which is very huge. A few specialists have figured that iexec RLC's cost could reach up to $5.11 by 2030. This would be a critical increment from its ongoing cost of around $1.34. Nonetheless, it is critical to recollect that iexec RLC is developing, as is its reception rate, utility, and exceptionally likely amazingly. Hence, a moderate methodology could in a real sense be more precise just for the principal half of the 10 years, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Thinking about the entirety of the above-mentioned, apparently RLC most certainly is an exceptionally encouraging venture. In this manner, the cost expectations for RLC especially are outstandingly certain, predominantly on the grounds that the token really does in a real sense have a ton of potential. Obviously, likewise with any speculation, there is no assurance that RLC will arrive at the anticipated sticker costs. Notwithstanding, assuming that you explicitly are hoping to put resources into digital currency, RLC generally is most certainly worth considering, or so they especially thought. We will watch out for the improvement of iexec RLC and how it performs. Its true capacity, pair with our cost expectations, really